Oh, how you going? Welcome back to Geordie Motorsports. I've got a, well, it's not actually a tent or a gazebo. It's a parcel that came yesterday, which was Friday. And it's stuff for my two-door. So, I'm going to do a little bit of a unboxing video. And let's have a look and see what we got. So let's swing into it. Alrighty, so let's see what we have got. They'll be coming up to the screen in a minute. Alrighty. It's good that there's a bit of wrapping or bubble wrap because I can use that to pack boxes for when I'm moving my house. Alright, first pieces are out. Almost. Alright, so as you can see, these are headlight buckets and front grille. So they are in a lot better condition than what I've got. A little bit bent down the bottom there, but it's alright. This means I have 3 pairs now. This one here is really good. I like it a lot. Now these here are the main things I was after. Not the headlights. Although having more headlights is helpful, but the headlight buckets themselves. Now these are they are a little bit rusty, but just surface rust, but they are a million times better than what was originally on my car. The pair that were on my car, there were rust holes everywhere, and yeah, I sandblasted one, and then that's when I realised that they were actually no good. Oh, I don't want stuff to fall off. These are half pulled apart. Yeah, this one's a little bit bent, but I'll be able to fix that up. But once again, oh yeah, this is a good one. It's still got black paint on it. A little tiny bit rusty, but that doesn't bother me because these are bloody fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Now, what is in this? Ah, yes, I remember now. I'm just glad he's packaged them well for me. Probably thinking, why didn't you just cut it? It's just, I wanted to use this stuff. Ooh, and here we have the center grille, and that badge is in bloody fantastic condition. So as well as this grille, it's a little bit, I'm sure you know with the Chrysler stuff and that sort of stuff, they like bubble, but I'm going to try, now that I have a pair, I want to try and fix a pair up, spend the time and make it all smooth and that sort of stuff in between. And but yeah, that grill badge is bloody killer. All this stuff is pretty good. I'm quite happy. I'm thrilled. I love buying parts for my two-door. It's a good feeling. But yeah, I might give you all a close-up on these bits, and yeah, you can let me know what you reckon. But the main thing I was after were the headlight buckets, because mine were just trashed. Absolutely trashed. Alright, let's have a look at these bits. I'll get my other grill, we can compare it. Alrighty, so here's the bits. So here's the surrounds for the headlights. They're in pretty good nick. This one's a little bit bent just there, but I have 3 pairs now, so I can probably try and restore a pair, paint them and whatnot, and all find the best pair. Here's the grill. As you can see, as usual, it's got that like pitting on it. That grill badge is mint. Best way to put it, it's mint. But the main things I was after were, what one's the loose one? This one. Were the headlight buckets. So as you can see, they're a little bit rusty, but the ones that were on my two-door, they were just trashed, no good. And this one's the good one, because it still has the black paint on it. So yeah, I'll clean them up. Just got a little repair to do on this one because it's bent in a little bit. But so this is the grill that originally come off my car. As you can see, that badge is broken. I reckon the grills themselves, that one is just cleaner. They're in about equal condition, if not that grill was a tiny little bit better. But now that I have 2, I can try and fix one, and if it works well, I'll do it to both, and I might even sell the other one, or I'd like to do a Chrysler by Chrysler front side thing on my shed or something like that, like a wall mount. But yeah, so it's good getting car parts for my two-door especially. But yeah, I'm pretty happy, really happy, mainly for them headlight buckets, knowing that they're in good condition. Well, that's this video done. So it's not anything exciting, but it's pretty exciting for me getting two-door parts, or CH parts in particular, because I need lots of them. But yeah, so I would like to thank Anthony from Valiant's Parts Garage in Queensland. He made buying these Chrysler parts super easy, really easy to deal with. So if you need any Chrysler parts or Valiant parts and that sort of stuff, same. Have a look at his Facebook page and that. I'll put a picture of this up in the corner or something like that. But yeah, he is really good to deal with. He made buying these parts super easy, no struggle. But hopefully I might be able to get some more stuff if he has any other CH stuff, or two-door bits in particular. But it's just fantastic that he had a good pair of headlight buckets, because that's mainly what I was after. But yeah, that'll tie it up for this video. Be moving my house shortly, so I won't have probably a whole lot of content coming out. I'll be having a lot of stuff in the future between me and my old man. Uncle Brent's shed, head over there and have a look. So me and him will be doing, guarantee you, we'll be doing a lot of collabs and that sort of gear. So lots of videos together, working on his car, probably working on the two-door, even might be doing some stuff to my AP5 as well later on. So yeah, make sure you stick around to see that sort of stuff. Like and subscribe, helps me out quite a bit. If you want to see more stuff as well, obviously do the same. Let me know what you want to see more of. If you want to see more of the two-door or stuff on the AP5, I can do some more stuff on the AP5. But yeah, might take this VK out for a cruise later on. Maybe tomorrow, because it's looking not the greatest out today. But yeah, so cheers for watching the video. Let me know what you want to see, and I'll see you in the next one. So as I always say, and Uncle Brent says, look out for your mates, and I'll see you in the next one. Catch you around. Whoa, that's I want to start that backwards, man. Just make sure everything's in view. So I'll be standing, talking, unboxing, pulling out, that sort of gear. Yeah, this should be pretty good. I reckon. Right here. Pulling it up. Cars in the background. And then I'll maybe get a chair. The bits on the back of the ute. Yeah, be right.